Long-legged doji. Now it looks like this, the picture mentioned on the right. Now long-legged doji consists of a doji with a long upper and lower shadows. So it's like huge high, huge low, but the opening and closing are the same. It indicates a fighting between bulls and bear forces. So everyone is fighting. Someone sold on high, market went down, and then some other hedge fund came in and bought it, and the market from low went up. Therefore, at the end of the day or at the end of the candle, a balance is achieved and no one won. I repeat, no one won. And once you see that, that's a good sign and a bad sign equally there. It means no one won and the balance is maintained. But you need to be vigilant. However, it simply says that if you were in a bullish trend, you are simply still in a bullish trend. If you are in a bearish trend, you are still in a bearish trend. So it simply means that the status quo is maintained. Now let's see long-legged doji on charts so that you can see how it looks on the real chart. Long-legged doji. Now let me show you this one. Now long-legged doji, as we just discussed, have no agenda. It's not telling you it's a bullish reversal or a bearish reversal sign. It's just a sign that is telling you that on the day no one won. The bulls and bears fought but no one won. Now how to pick it on the chart? This is the example. It opened at 154 and closed at 153.99. But if you look at the high and the low is 152.91. That's $1.08 down. And the high is 154.58. That's 60 cents up. Huge. So it went up. Then the sellers came in and it went down to 152.91. But then the buyers came in and made it close on the open. So there are huge wicks on the top and on the bottom. But no one succeeded in it. If we look at it, wait a minute, where can I? Yeah, here it is. Let me go back and just look at it. This one. It opened at 135.52 and closed at 135.51. Now what really happens in the day is on the open of 135.52, it runs up. It goes to 136.27. That's approximately 80 cents, 70 cents. But then it suddenly falls off and goes to 134.62. That's a $70 cents. $1.70 down. That's hugely down. But then, near the end of the day, it suddenly rises up and closes at 135.51. That is the same as open. So it opened at the same rate and closed at the same rate. But there are huge wicks, huge shadows, which represents that no one won. Buyers also were not able to win that day and sellers were not able to win that day. So both remained balanced. No one won, which is not a bad sign. But it doesn't represent anything on the up or on the low because no one won. Now if you remember the previous chapters where we discussed gravestone doji or dragonfly doji, we discussed that they were reversal patterns. Why? Because someone won, bulls or bears. But in this candle, no one won. It went higher, it went exceptionally lower, but it closed on the open. So bulls never won, bears never won. And that's why this represents no change in direction. Thank you.